If you're in Budapest and you're looking for free activities to do, this is one of the best ones.
The museum is located in this beautiful building and it's completely interactive. You can touch things, play games, and solve challenges, and actually be a part of the experience. You need to book a free time slot on their website, and they also have an app that you can download that works as an audio guide. When you arrive, you start by picking up the visitor tag and storing your things in the lockers downstairs. After that, you program your tag with your name and preferred language, and your money adventure begins. First section takes you through a gold mine themed area before bringing you up to the main exhibition floor. As you enter, you're introduced to the characters on a huge screens that guide you through the museum and explain how money works, where it came from, and how it influences our lives. From there, the museum becomes a giant playground. You can play games that teach you about trading, economics, and decision making. The better you perform, the bigger discount you can earn for museum merchandise at the end. One of the most interesting parts was seeing what different cultures used as money before modern currencies. Some people traded with seashells, some with metals and grains, and in China, people even used compressed tea shaped into large blocks. The museum also takes you to the history of Hungarian money, showing how currency changed over time and how modern banknotes are designed to stay secure. One room lets you discover the hidden security features inside of the banknotes. You can activate UV and black lights to reveal details invisible to the naked eye. You can even use microscopes to see the incredible level of detail printed onto the bills. Throughout the museum, there are more interactive exhibits, including games about trade and transactions. You can also look through the glass floor and see the vault area below with real gold inside. After that, head downstairs to explore old financial documents, certificates, and loan paperwork. You can also try the old pneumatic tube systems that were once used to move documents and money between rooms. Next area explains trading and financial systems. You can see coins from all around the world arranged as a map. And interactive machines show how transactions work when you buy something. But the highlight of the entire museum comes at the end. You get to solve a vault lock, enter the vault, and finally see a real gold bar. You can actually touch it and try to lift it. It looks small, but it's much heavier than I expected. Before leaving, you can create your own personalized banknote with your face on it, and collect coupons for the museum shop. You can also visit their temporary exhibition upstairs, which changes regularly. Even the toilets keep the theme going with golden design. The Hungarian Money Museum is a place where you can learn about money without feeling like you're just walking around the museum. It's interactive, fun, and completely free. So if you're visiting Budapest, I would definitely add this place to your list.